Welcome to Easy English Conversations. Today's video is a simple and friendly talk between two strangers who become friends. Meet Rina and Alex. They are meeting for the first time at park. Watch and learn how to start a conversation, ask questions, and make a new friend in English. Let's begin.
Hello. Hello.
Hi. Hi.
What is your name? What is your name?
My name is Rina. What is your name? My name is Rina. What is your name?
I am Alex. Nice to meet you. I am Alex. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you too.
How are you? How are you?
I am fine. And you? I am fine. And you?
I am good, thank you. I am good, thank you.
Where are you from? Where are you from?
I am from Mumbai. And you? I am from Mumbai. And you?
I am from Delhi. I am from Delhi.
Do you live here? Do you live here?
Yes, I live near the park. Yes, I live near the park.
That's nice. I live near the school. That's nice. I live near the school.
What do you do? What do you do?
I am a student. I study English. I am a student. I study English.
That's great. I am a student too. That's great. I am a student too.
Do you like English? Do you like English?
Yes, I like it. It is easy and fun. Yes, I like it. It is easy and fun.
Me too. I read books in English. Me too. I read books in English.
I watch English videos. I watch English videos.
That's a good idea. That's a good idea.
Do you come to the park every day? Do you come to the park every day?
Yes, I come in the evening. Yes, I come in the evening.
I come in the morning. I come in the morning.
We can meet again. We can meet again.
Yes. Let's meet tomorrow. Yes. Let's meet tomorrow.
Okay. See you tomorrow. Okay. See you tomorrow.
Okay, bye, see you. Okay, bye, see you.